Corporal No tried stopping a Chevy Equinox using the shoulder to bypass traffic. The driver faked compliance, then fled, nearly hitting cars, a patrol unit, and a pedestrian before crashing into a guardrail and running.
Connector North MLK, red Chevy Equinox, 28th through Georgia, Robert Victor Paul 1951, RVP 1951, Georgia. Come on. Pull over. Please stop. Please stop. 468 Atlanta, we're continuing northbound on the shoulder.
Yeah, 4, do you want to trip?
And 10-4 on 1080, approaching Edgewood.
Left shoulder, right shoulder.
Right shoulder, I'm coming up to you, work your way to the right.
We're only about 6 or 8 feet at the top. You go ahead and drive. Once you feet, I'll call you.
Red.
Hey, 14, be with 468.
All right, stop, traffic stop here.
Passing Auburn Avenue.
Red light. Red light. Clear left, go.
Back on connector northbound.
A14's got me a secondary on the right shoulder. Brakes, 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 and find a good gap here. Crashing through stuff, looks like no 1050s.
Coming up on Beach Street. Clear, coming up on Beach Street.
Exiting. Slowing down.
Up on Beach Street.
Driver 𝗙𝗶𝗿 𝗨𝘀𝗲, wanted for aggravated assault, was caught. A search found a gun, fake checks, and suspected promethazine. Rogers, a convicted felon, was booked on multiple charges. On September 6, 2022, a Texas DPS trooper observed a gray motorcycle speeding southbound on the Dallas North Tollway. The trooper attempted a traffic stop, but the rider accelerated and fled toward downtown Dallas.
Advise he bumped my back bumper. Fleet, crash.
During the pursuit, the rider lost control on a curve, hit a curb, and rolled multiple times on Harry Hines Boulevard. The rider sustained minor injuries and was charged with evading arrest or detention with a vehicle.